Hello guys, how you guys doing today? I know I've already done my makeup and all that. I just want to come on here and review the Fenty Beauty lipstick. I know this is not new, it's everywhere, it's everywhere already, but I just wanted to do this video for you guys. It's just a simple lip swatch and review video because I noticed I've not done a review on this lipstick before, and I have 3 more shades to add to my collection because I have the red one which I've used on the tutorial before. So this is the Fenty Beauty lipstick. I'll leave the name on the video, and it comes in a box like this. So those are the shades at the top. So as usual, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to just do the lip swatch, then I'm going to give you my thoughts and feel about it at the end of the lip swatch clip. So if you want to see this review of the Fenty Beauty lipstick, liquid lipstick, because they are liquid lipstick, stay tuned for this video.
No, do me in the worst way. Don't let me sleep, never say you're sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
Okay guys, this is the lip swatch on my lip, and I'm wearing the black shade on my lip right now. To be frank, as I said with you, this black shade was really difficult to apply because I have to double the shade, double the application on my lip because it was giving me fine line on the lip, so I have to double the shade to fill it up. Maybe if it's dry it doesn't really look that bad, but when you can see some demarcation right here. The black shade is a bit difficult to apply. I love the red shade. This shade is beautiful. I really love this shade. The shade is must have red shade. It's beautiful. I also love the first shade, the nude color. This will be perfect nude for all skin tone. But if you're a chocolate girl, use a brown lip liner. It will serve you better when you use the brown lip liner. Okay, so for the formula of the lipstick, it's very comfortable on the lip. I don't find it drying at all. I don't find it uncomfortable. It's not tight. It's not draining the daylight out of my lip. It's very comfortable on the lips. I really we recommend this lipstick. But this black shade is I'm on a 50-50 fence. I actually like the color. Will I wear it out? I don't know. Maybe not with this look. Maybe on a wing liner. I can just wear the red. Sorry, I can just wear the black lipstick on both the wing liner and the black lipstick, or just lashes and the black lipstick will work. Right now it's just a little bit of drama going on, too much drama going on. But if you like black lipstick, I will tell you to get it. It's not bad. The color is beautiful. It's not like black like a bluish black, if that makes any sense. So if you have this shade, you bought this shade, let me know in the comment section what you think about it. If you have seen it in pictures, let me know how you feel about black lipstick. But to me, it's quite nice, but I can't just wear it out. I have to summon courage to wear the black lipstick out. I know they are going to extend the shades very soon. I'm really looking forward to the new shade that they come up with. This black I just have difficult time using. The rest of them were easy to apply. I love the one, like the applicator of this lipstick is amazing. The applicator is really nice. Really nice applicator. I'm quite impressed with the lipstick. I'm just waiting for it to like dry down so I can know if it transfer or not. But one thing I will tell you about this black lipstick is don't pat. When you pat, it moves about when you pat. So that is another con for the black lipstick. So I just kissed the back of my hand, and you can see a little bit of transfer right here because some part of the lip has not dried down. It won't give you any transfer. It's going to dry matte and stay matte. Okay, so guys, that is my thought on this Fenty Beauty lipstick. I have to go now. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys on my next video. Remember what I always say, be yourself, be true to yourself, love yourself, do you always, and remain blessed. Bye guys.